Hi, I'm Lisa from Lori's Country Cottage. Welcome to How Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make 5x7 zippered pouches out of pre-printed panels. Plus, stick with me till the end and I'll show you all kinds of tips, tricks, and variations.
For each of your pouches, you'll need the following supplies. You'll need a 7-inch zipper, 2 inches of fold over elastic, webbing, or ribbon. That's about 3/4 of an inch wide. And you'll need thread. The thread will either contrast or blend with your panel. It's completely up to you. Find your 2 matching panels and note that one of them has small black lines down from the top. That is the front of your pouch. Using your rotary cutter and ruler, cut the top and bottom apart on that line. Lay your zipper right side up on your table and put the top of the pouch right side up on top of the zipper and the bottom on the bottom of the zipper, making sure to match the design. We're just making sure that everything lines up correctly. When you see that you've cut it correctly and things line up, head to your sewing machine. Lay the top of the pouch right side up on your right side up zipper, and using your zipper foot, stitch really close to the zipper. Repeat for the bottom of your pouch, making sure that you match your design. On the left-hand side, measure down 1 inch and make a small mark in your seam allowance. Take your fold over elastic and fold it in half lengthwise, so it's about 1 inch long and 3/4 of an inch wide. Match the raw edges of your fold over elastic to the edge of your pouch. The fold will be facing the middle. Baste it in place. Open your zipper 3/4 of the way or you won't be able to turn your bag. Take your backing piece and lay it right sides together with your completed front. Note how the front is slightly longer than the back. That's because we've added the zipper. Clip the 2 pieces together. Stitch around your pouch with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I back stitched over my zipper and I stitched slowly over the zipper. When you've gone all the way around, trim your seam allowance to 1/8 inch. Turn your pouch right side out. Use a blunt tool to help ease out the corners. It's helpful to use a blow dryer to warm up the vinyl to help flatten seams and push those corners out. You can do all 5 panels in a very short time.
And that's how easy it is to make these little pouches out of the panels. But you can use the same method to make any size or shape bag. Just make sure to use printed vinyl, clear vinyl, or cork, something with a finished edge, and you can create whatever size or shape bag that you want. For instance, you could make a cell phone bag. This uses the exact same method. I created a front, I added 2 hanging loops so that I can make a crossbody strap for it, and I just changed the shape to accommodate my cell phone. You can buy ready-made straps, or we have some really nice printed straps at the store. Here's a nice big square bag that I made out of printed vinyl. It's the same front and back, but again, I just made a front, cut a back to match, and I personalized it. This one's for myself. And then I made something a little bit more complicated, but it's still super easy. I made a front, so it's got a bottom, a zipper, and a top. And I made another front. It's got a top, a zipper, and a front. The difference is I took my first set and I added a backing to it. So now I have a pocket on the back and clear vinyl on the front. Let me show you what that looks like. I've made a second one. So here's the front that I made with the top panel, the zipper, and the bottom. And then I cut a piece exactly the same size, and this will become my back of the bag. So this is the right side of the back of my bag. Then I made a front, so a top, a zipper, and a bottom, and I made it out of clear vinyl. So when I layer these together, and stitch them. I'll turn them right side out and I'll end up with a clear front with nice pink in the background, so it's finished, and then a pocketed panel on the back. All you need is a front and a back. Whatever you put on your front and back is up to you. So I could add to the inside of this bag simply by stitching onto my backing pink credit card slots. I could add mesh with fold over elastic for tuck-in pockets. Let's say if I wanted to keep cords inside. I've got a how-to video that shows you how to sew with cork and vinyl if you've never done it before. But these vinyls that we carry in the store are super easy to work with. I hope you'll have fun personalizing projects for gift giving and for yourself. Thanks for joining me for How Tuesday.